guys, I'm Flight Attendant JoJo. Welcome to my channel. We are in New York. Marcus is passed out. This is my husband. He likes to come on my trips with me. He was so lovely. He went into the Admiral's Lounge, brought me some breakfast because it's 5 in the morning. I got myself 4 shots of espresso. And if you're curious about like the scarf, you know, without saying what I'm saying, I hope you understand what I'm saying. My whole goal is to create like flight attendant content for you guys, show you my trip, show you what it's like to be a flight attendant in the US. But yes, this is like an interesting looking scarf and a different kind of like uniform. So this is YouTube's version of Flight Attendant JoJo from now on, but I want to keep making you guys fun, great content. Here's a nice little plane. I think I just saw a JetBlue taxi by. I am currently like starting a trip. We are doing a 3-day out of New York. I'm a New York-based flight attendant, and today we're going to Phoenix, and then we're going to Vegas, which I'm so excited about because I love a good Vegas layover. A lot of people are opposed to Vegas trips, but like, hand them over to JoJo. She loves them. Woke up at 4 a.m. No, woke up at 3:40 a.m. and I'm just trying to like milk this coffee right now so I can get energized because I'm working first class to Phoenix, and I love first class, like love it. We're on the Boeing 737. It's serve everyone breakfast and welcome everyone aboard, and I'll see you in Vegas. Have you legit propped up on like the ironing table? Marcus smells so good.
Can you smell me, guys?
Oh,
it smells so good.
The new Saint Laurent. Myself. We are going out in Vegas. We made it to Vegas. Have any of you seen the eye or the sphere or something? This is, let me get this open. This is a new addition to the Vegas Strip. We stayed at Encore last time and we had a really great view of it. Hopefully they'll have an early check-in available.
Unlikely.
Otherwise we'll go either spend money, get drunk, or go to the pool. Through the hallway of our favorite hotel, about to enter our favorite room in like top 5 hotels we've ever stayed at. This time they did a free early check-in and a free strip view, and we have like complimentary breakfast buffet at the Wynn. It's insane. Let's get a room tour. We get a view of the new eyeball looking thing. And some airplanes taking off. You can see it right there. And that's the Strip. Wow. We will be down at the pool club, the day club today.
Day club's
and day club? Where?
Right.
Oh, over there. That's the day club. That'll be the night club. It's so cool. They cover the pool with like plexiglass. We are arriving on a holiday weekend. We have all day Sunday to just club party all day, and then we're spending the rest of the week just relaxing and shopping, per what I always do. Airport outfit, nice little dress, jacket to keep warm. I chose to wear sneakers. I almost always wear sneakers. And then no makeup, just some jewelry to like dress it up. Wynn and Encore are just known for their beds and their pillows. The mirror right there. I mean, this is the dream room. And then they have a giant mirror here. I would love to know if you guys are interested in like when I get ready at night or during the day, what I'm wearing, stuff like that. Oh, the shower and the bathtub, these mirrors. These robes are phenomenal. Like some of my favorite bathrobes. Okay, let's make it low. Some sexy dim lighting. Some flight attendant tricks. If there's no fridge, you just make ice in the sink. So I stopped it, put a towel there, and we're gonna fill it with our Vouv champagne. Marcus keeps running back and forth with ice buckets. Day 2. Recover from day 1. We're going to Earth Cafe. It's in this hotel. It's the best. The best. I'm looking for my hair tie. Completely lost it. Okay, eating my popcorn, and we are headed out to our next hotel, which we're staying at the Aria. You know, bed, best bed. No. But Aria makes really good drinks, poolside drinks. Yeah. That's what we plan on doing for the next few days. So, time to go. The breakfast buffet this morning, unreal. Go do it if you stay here. Very expensive. You have to eat a lot of food. We welcome you to the show. Marcus and I just spent a week in Vegas, really just trying to find some of the best restaurants. Vegas offers a lot, so we went on a mission. Found a restaurant called Catch. It's at the Aria. I think it's a super popular restaurant in LA. We're just gonna get some sushi, and they have this amazing baked cauliflower. I was exhausted after today's flight. It was so fast from Phoenix to Vegas though. It was only like 45 minutes. In JFK to Phoenix, it was a great crowd. Like honestly, it was the longest flight. It was 4 hours, 44 minutes. I was exhausted. I was so tired. It was so difficult, like just to be coherent, but everyone was like really lovely in my first class. This is the outfit, and I didn't bring any other heels but my work heels, and they kind of like, we're gonna say they go with it. These earrings have like black accents to them. I'm just making it work. People, it is 5 a.m. and we have like a 5:20 show. I broke my heel last night. That was so sad. The bottom of it where the metal like sticks out, now that's showing, so I think I can go and get them fixed. We're going to Austin this morning, which is, I'm really happy because we're in Vegas, so the flight's gonna be shorter than like in LA to Austin, which is usually about 2.5 hours, 3 hours. So this should be like 2 hours, and it's our only flight today. So yesterday was 2 flights, today's 1 flight, and tomorrow's 1 flight straight to New York. And then after I'm done serving breakfast, I'm not slow at my job, but I definitely like to be thorough and really go above and beyond on like running back and forth drinks, and then I don't even take a breath, sit down until everyone is like completely done with drinks and food, which is usually an hour and a half into the flight at least. So I think it will be like, maybe I'll get 10 minutes to chill out before we land, and then we'll be in Austin. And this is day 5 of working, and my layovers have been very short, or like I've had a great time each night. I'm gonna take this layover and just sleep. Wow, I just had a moment. Came in, get undressed, okay? You cannot tell me that you guys don't just like live in t-shirts. So, did you hear that? something happening. I'm thinking someone's using a key card to get into my room, and I hadn't locked it yet. Like, I didn't put the latch on because in case someone is in my room, I want to be able to run out quickly. I am hearing rustling, so I run to the door. I'm looking out, no one's there. I'm like, okay. Then I hear it again, and look, these blinds, okay? I'm freaking out that someone is hiding behind my blind. My crazy theory is if someone was gonna murder you, it's because they knew that you were coming to this room. I mean, like, what were the chances that they knew Jojo was gonna get this exact room? But I come running over here freaking out, but I look out the window and it's raining. So that's what I heard, was rain on the window, but it sounded like someone was rustling with these blinds. Marcus already went back to LA. We're exhausted, so, and just wait for the weather to get better. This is how my PAs have been. It's like I go to say something and then something else comes out of my mouth that is not English. I'm so excited. I have Uber Eats coming. Realized I had not checked in for a commuter flight because I am so like new to the whole commuter thing again. Like, I completely forgot that I need to fly home after this trip. So the crew wants to go out probably. And I don't like to be a slam clicker where you come into your hotel room, then you don't go out with people. I am living with a lot of people right now because Marcus and I chose to move out of our place in Dallas with my mom and then like a few of my sisters. That's the soup. That's the sandwich. I'm going to head to the gym and just, honestly, like, I'd love to do some legs, but I really am just looking forward to walking on the treadmill. Okay, bye. Running late. I had like pulled out all my eyelashes, so I've been wearing falsies like this entire trip, but I kid you not, I don't think there's any eyelashes in the center of my eye. I realized the next commuter flight is like 4 hours after I land, so that kind of sucks, but whatever. Apparently there's a shuttle bus to JetBlue, so I'm running over there. I want to make a flight that leaves in 20 minutes. I missed the JetBlue one. I watched the plane pull away, but now I'm at Delta, and there's a 7-6 going to LA, so hopefully I get on that one.